Welcome to KKDS YouTube channel. Today's topic is famous person around the world, Usha Mangeshkar. Usha Mangeshkar is an Indian singer who has recorded many Marathi, Manipuri, Hindi, Bengali, Kannada, Nepali, Bhojpuri, Gujarati, Uriya and Assamese songs. She is the youngest among four Mangeshkar sisters. After Lata Mangeshkar, Meena Kadikar and Asha Bhosle, as well as only elder from brother Hridayonath Mangeshkar. Usha Mangeshkar born Indore state, British India, present day Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Usha Mangeshkar came into the spotlight as a playback singer after singing some devotional songs for the movie Jai Santosima 1975, which became an all-time blockbuster. She was nominated for the Filmfare Best Female Playback Singer Award for the song Maine Tu Aarati. In the film, she sang the same songs for the movie Remark in 2006. She is known for her famous songs and songs of the Marathi movie Pinjara. She is famous also for her song Chupi Chupi Gauri Kane in Uriya film Abhiman 1977. She had also produced musical drama Pholbunti for Doordarshan. Usha Mangeshkar Award and nomination: BFG Award for Best Female Playback Singer for Jai Santosima 1975. Nominated for Filmfare Award for Best Female Playback Singer in the song Man of Aarati from Jai Santosima. Winner of Mirchi Award 2020 for Lifetime Achievement Award. Nominated Filmfare Award for Best Female Playback Singer for the song Hamesha Najat Tu Mila from 1980. Lata Mangeshkar Award by Government of Maharashtra 2020. Lokmata Jayantoshi National Music Award 2025. Legend Award for the contribution to Indian music. Also did scores of Marathi songs for Dada Kodak, including the most famous Dukta Lagi Kata and etc. From Pinjara in 2008, Usha collaborated with Sanket Kasem for the OD Norin Chera to commemorate the Golden Jubilee of the Aga Khan.